Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video because I just got a 15 pack of slime on Amazon. And sorry about the talking in the background. My grandparents got here, Gigi and Papa, and don't mind that. Just worry about me, okay? So I'm gonna show you all 15 slimes. So let's start off with my least favorite would be this one, this like peachy one, and they all came with like little charms. So here's this one. I don't really have a least favorite out of all of these. Yeah, so it's like this nice peachy color. It's pretty. It's not my favorite. So I'm gonna put it away. They're so nice and easy to put away. And yeah, I have some like add-ins to put in, like little things. Now, I'm not doing it in order, but I am gonna show my favorite soon. So I have this one, and it came with this avocado charm.
Oh yeah, Jimmy's brother, Jimmy's sister,
and also there's music in the background too. Don't worry about that. So that one was cool. Mint green with a avocado. Well, it's kind of like a dark mint green. What is that? Well, why did you bring your bike back here?
I don't know.
He rode up to get some wine.
Look at his bike. Isn't that awesome?
All right, so next one we will be doing is this ice cream one, which has an ice cream little
So cool.
charm. Yeah, you are.
Anyway,
So ice cream charm. And I put some sprinkles into it. That was one of the add-ins. I put some sprinkles into it. It's so pretty. And no, they do not smell, if you were wondering. It's so stretchy. And it comes in this little container, and it's like, look at that. It's so pretty. All right. Now, let's put some of that let's put that back in there. And then, yeah, here's a little ice cream chart. It's so cute. I'm going to show you my favorite soon, maybe soon, maybe not. Here is this other white one. It is a Oreo charm, little Oreo. And this Oreo one. So this one doesn't have any add-ins. It came like with those little, the one's blowing, with those little white and black dots. And yeah, that's pretty cool. There's like white dots in there too if you can't see them, but there's black ones too. Yeah. So yeah, it's really pretty. I really like this one. So yeah, it's not my favorite, but it's like one of my favorites. I don't like Oreos. But yeah.
How long it take you to get up there, Bob?
An hour.
15 minutes?
So I got this brown
See the
one
one in the Gremlins?
with this little Starbucks cup. That one's cute. So let me take it out.
To ride you up there. Arbor will want to ride it. She'll be like,
Understand, it took about
It's so pretty. It's like a chocolate brown, which I really like. So pretty. Yeah, that's a pretty one. It's a really cool one.
how do y'all feel about Harry,
we like
the
her.
Sasquatch?
Oh yeah, Harry. His name's Harry. I didn't know that.
I mean, who else does he look like, Bobo?
I like Harry.
He doesn't have a face.
Yeah, but he's
I
nice
see
like
a
Harry.
face.
Oh, you remember that movie, Harry and the Hendersons?
Okay. So
Arbor has
anyways,
a Harry
let's move on. So I have this like little cherry charm, and I got a cherry.
Hey, YouTube!
Everybody say hi.
Hi!
special and best granddaughter in the whole world. I love her very much.
Let's get everyone there. Yeah, I'm outside. So anyways,
Are you ready to see the man of the hour? Papa. Man.
ah!
The myth.
So I have this like,
The legend.
what is going on my YouTube channel right now?
Who knows?
Okay, so I have this like red one right here, and I put like beads in there, like colorful beads. And it's really stretchy. Yeah, this is really cute. I love cherries. Daddy, you love those specific cherries. Ow!
Oh, Rainiers?
The ones that have the seeds in it.
Rainiers?
Yeah, I don't know what they're called, but yes.
So Rainier or Rainier?
Okay. So I have this like purple one with a little grape charm.
Also, why is there a towel on top of mine?
Oh, I put some sprinkles in here. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Yeah. So let's put that back in there. Keep in mind there's 15. So here's this one. It is a yellow one with a pineapple charm.
Wait, she said, I've got to find another
605.
Look how pretty this yellow is. Like, it's so bright. And I love yellow. It's so pretty.
And then she's splitting with it. And Darlene's Bella,
Oh, the
little
puppy.
black dog.
So they still got her. We were for hours. Pat almost acted like they were like,
It was very close, I can tell you that.
she
And
getting
it's
better?
Still not over. Still not over.
Get better?
Alright, so I'm putting the yellow back in. This is a cute one. I'm kind of like, I love this one. I love pineapple, although it does sting my tongue, if you don't know what I mean. So I have this one. It's like a dark pink and a unicorn
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
charm.
Ryan plays with her and then that just works.
Oh my gosh. If you hear that like noise over there, it's just the air conditioning. So don't mind that, okay? Anyways, so this is this one. It's like has those like beads in there. Whew, a bee just flew out. Alright. Alright, so close up. The unicorn charm are really cute. I got this one with this mint leaf. So it's a mint slime. Yeah. It's a good one. So let's put that one away. Alright, so this next one. Peach one? And yeah. Peach. 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 What? Oh. And I put some fruit charms in here. There's like fruit little charms in there. Let me take one out. 1 second. Look, so there's a little apple right there, and there's more in there too. Because look, a peach is a fruit. So I was like, maybe I should put some fruit charms in here, and I did. So next we have this pretty like blue, and it has some sprinkles in it, and it came with this. I don't really know what it is, but yeah. Let's open this one. Yeah, let's open this one. It has some sprinkles in it. I added them, and look how pretty this blue is. Get back. Get back into the slime. Look how pretty that is. Like, it's pretty. Yeah? So, got that one. Alright. So I have this like pink one with sprinkles in it. I love those sprinkles. A little watermelon.
Gigi, we got another bottle of wine. I can fill us one in.
Sure, you're more than welcome.
I want to show you something.
When you're ready, I have a glass like this. A wine glass like this. Okay, yeah, let me coat it. We do have coat.
Alright. So let's put this one away. This is my second favorite. So let's put that away before I play with it all day. Okay. And then after this one is my favorite. Alright. Oh yeah. So it's this one. It has like beads in it. I didn't put these beads in there. And the little cookie charm. It's really stretchy. Yeah. So I'm going to put that back in there. Alright, so let's put these away. Alright, and here is the last one and my favorite. This blue with the stitch charm. It's a little stitch. And it's so stretchy, and look at that. Like, look at that. Just look at it.
Berries. Berries. Yeah, show your mom. It's fucking berries.
Oh my Lord, look at that.
No, it is like bark or fucking.
So yeah, this is my favorite with the little stitch charm. So yeah. Anyways, guys, subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.